it works. Okay.
It's not facing me though. It's not facing me, I don't think.
It's not facing you? Yeah, I can see you.
You can?
Yeah. Okay. Let's try to wrap this up. Okay. So I wanted to work on a token economy approach with him using fake money, and I am working for a schedule. Okay. The schedule is designed for him to choose one preferred reward and write it in the box above all the sessions.
Okay.
Each session he will pick a different reward, whatever he feels like doing that day. And he will receive it once the session is complete. To start, we were thinking about 10 pennies to receive that reward each day, each session. Once he chooses a reward, he will be given non-preferred tasks to comply to. For an appropriate response, like first time listening, he will receive an immediate reinforcer, the penny. But we'd have to wait until the end of the session to receive the backup reinforcer, the reward the treat. The pennies will be dropped into a cup, visible. I have one. I set it up downstairs to Chris. But to Chris, while he's attending to the task, he will be seeing the pennies be dropped in. He must reach the goal to receive his backup reinforcer. I talked to Chris about some of the backup reinforcers being additional time to the computer, play date with the Gillens, the park, a piece of candy, watching TV. Can you think of any other rewards that he would like to work for?
Probably play dates with friends from school. Maybe extra story at bedtime.
Okay.
It's a big one.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it doesn't have to be a large reward. It's just something to motivate him. We're going to see what's going to happen, and we're going to moderate his behavior. We will see how he does the first week and get the general idea how many pennies to use that he can receive every day and what he's capable of doing. I'll observe him Monday, Wednesday, Friday, like I said, from 4 to 6. I thought a 2-hour session was pretty good enough. The token system will start off as not having an impact because he doesn't know the system yet, and then it starts off like that, but the tokens will increase and associate themselves with the pennies, and then once they're exchanged, then he'll start to really like it. The tokens themselves become slightly reinforcing, making the compliance that more motivating. The system needs to be consistent though, so I was thinking I was going to be handling the pennies to Chris every time that he completes the task or listens the first time. Once he reaches that criteria in this session, after the consistent rate that I'm monitoring his behavior, we'll move to like an FR2 schedule, the fixed ratio. So like he'll have to comply to 2 prompts, and then I'll give him one. I'll give him one reward, and then we'll just go up and up and up towards the like FR5. Hopefully that would be the end. Does that sound something that you're okay with? Okay, great. So we were going to start the invention today, October 13th. And our next interview I was going to set up in about 3.5 to 4 weeks from now, around November 8th. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, well, thanks for your time.
Okay, thanks.